your testnet video on how to go about deploying contracts, mint function and bond function on NAHMII chain, which is the NAHMII testnet, which I dropped earlier. I actually have a video I already made on the testnet, which was about swapping, transfers, and some other things on the chain. So this will just be like the part 2 of the earlier made video. So if you're yet to do the part 1 aspect of the video or of the testnet, don't hesitate to do that. Just go and do that first before you continue. So now, for those who have been following, that's why I ask you to subscribe to the channel and click on and turn on notification so that you can always get my videos early I drop them. So this is how we go about starting. It's, as I said earlier, it's about contract deployment. And to deploy a contract, you always need a file that we use to deploy contract. So now, for the purpose of, maybe some are just saying contract deployment for the first time, so that's why I'll be starting from scratch. As you can see, the first thing we need to do is to create a new file, which is this. So when you click on create a new file, so now you name the file. When after clicking on that, just be watching my mouse. I just name it my name. So that's the file. So you can see it's here now. So I just clicked on it once again. You can see it shows empty space. Then now I'll have to go back to medium link where I'll copy the contract we'll be using for the testnet. So now I'll go to the link to this medium news link. I'll drop it so that you'll be able to copy this code. So once you open it, you'll be able to see the code. This is all you need to click for you to be able to copy. If it's not showing this, that means you have to register Medium, then you log in. But once you log in, you'll be able to access this click and copy link sign. So after that, you go back here, you paste your code here. Sorry, must have copied the wrong. I copied the Medium link instead of the code link. This is it, right? Oh, sorry, I'm copying the wrong link. Let me try it again, but I know I'm copying the wrong thing now. But I copied the wrong thing. Sorry, so I said it the wrong way. So this is what we need to do. Let's just do it manually. I'll do this. I'll copy. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Make sure you don't add extra space. So I'll come here. I'll just say Control C. Just copy. And I'll go back to, okay, sorry, I'm using a different browser. So I'll come here. I'll just paste it. So you say you have just pasted code snippet or contract in the editor. Wow. Okay. If it's an error, if there is an error, you would have seen the message would have been something like okay or cancel. The error will show you, but make sure when you're copying, especially at the last one, this last bracket, make sure there is no space after. If not, you'll be having errors. So just make sure you copy it as exact as it is there. Don't add even a pin dot. It can disrupt everything for you. So now after you're done with this, then now we need to compile the contract we have. But once you come here, you need to come here. Okay, yeah, this is the first place we go to. Then we need to compile the contract. You can see it's carrying the name my name.so, which we just created. Now it's showing unused function parameter. Remove or comment out the variable name to silence this one, which is this name. So function allow address or not address this and that. Let's just ignore comment. It's actually showing errors, the number of errors we have in the contract. Trying to read it. Okay, let's continue and see what happens. So now the next thing we need to do is to come down here, and come to this place so that we can connect wallet, injected provider, MetaMask, which will automatically redirect us to our MetaMask wallet. And that's exactly what it has done. It has connected to my wallet now. Then I'll deploy contract. Let's see if contract come approves. Let's see. Let's confirm from wallet. I notice most of those errors is as a result of the name I used. So that's why I didn't really bother much. So I want to confirm if transaction hash a transaction will approve. That's the most important thing. The transaction is yet to approve, it's still pending. Yeah, so you can see the transaction approved. So at times you just don't need to mind the errors, though actually there are a lot of errors, which is remove or comment out the variable name to silence this one name, which is this my name. It happens at times. So but the most important thing is our mint was okay. So now, but we can actually decide to change, but I don't want to waste much time so that the video won't get too long. But I've just changed the name and some other things that are there. For the purpose of this thing, on your own, you can just decide to change the name and check for some other errors in the function. Then you can change them. So now, right here, after clicking on that, which we've minted, so the next thing you need to click is to click on this bond. Then click on bond. Click the units, use 1000. So after imputing the 1000, then now you click on, you can now come down here. You can see we have address, we have unit as well. Sorry, so after you're done with the bond, close back the amount, just impute. It's actually 1000. I'm supposed to impute here. So you click bond. Let's see if it shows transaction approved. You need to confirm from wallet. After imputing the 1000, you just click on bond. So let's watch and see if it pops up. So as you can see, it just popped up. Transaction approved. You can see we now have two. After we are done with compiling, then now we are done with bond. Then now we need to mint. And when minting, you need an address you use to mint. So I have that saved somewhere. Excuse me. So for that minting, let's drop this here. Just click this. So for the unit, just put 10,000. The unit we want to mint. So for the bond, I actually use 1000. Then for the mint, this is the address. Then we are minting 10,000. So now you can just close back the drop down button. Then click on mint. So let's see if this one also approves. So we need to still confirm. So let's see if it goes. So you can see transaction approved as well. And that's basically just all we need to do here. We've done the compilation, we've done the bond, and this is the mint function. So right now you can actually check your wallet for all the things you've done in this particular remix for this chain. You can just go through your explorer and see this was the mint we minted, and view on block explorer. see if it's actually successful or not. You see what you meant, you see what you burn. So this is what we meant. Was it burn? I clicked on. Okay, it's actually, let me check just to be sure. 67C1. Let me check the other one. So you can see both the mint and the bond is actually from the same place. You can see this is the other one. You can see, okay, you can see now this is bond because I sent from my wallet to bond address. That means I sent that 1000 amount, that unit I imputed. That is what we'll send to this wallet. That's what it means. So now we've sent 1000 into bond wallet, then we minted 10,000. That's basically what it means. That's how the smart contract works. So this is all we need to do for, what's the name of the project? NAHMII. So I've done this. So just use this as a way. Actually, did not connect the exact one that I was supposed to use, but I just did this so that you can have idea on how to go about running this testnet. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share with your friends and family so that you can also benefit. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.